welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cree, also known as Creative91, and today I'm going to be showing you how I blow out my hair, as well as I'm going to be talking about the method that I use. So the method that I use is called the tension method. The reasons why I love this method is, number one, there's no damage to your hair. Number two, it prevents breakage. Number three, it's easy to style your hair once it's stretched. Number four, and it's easy to maintain your hair. So with the tension method, pretty much I do it right after my wash day. So you guys know my wash routine, and if you haven't seen a video, I have it up on my YouTube channel, so go check it out. So first I wash my hair, then I do a protein treatment, then I do a deep condition, then I do the apple cider vinegar rinse, and then I'm ready to blow dry my hair. So with the tension method, pretty much you take your hair, you stretch it out, you take the blow dryer on, I use a medium heat setting just because I don't want, damage to my hair. So I take my hair, take the blow dryer in a downward motion, and pretty much this just helps to close the cuticle and allowing the heat to stretch your hair, but in a gentle way. And then after that, it's ready for styling. By the way, guys, I do not use a comb to do this style. That is why I am able to prevent breakage, because it's just the air that's doing the job of stretching. If you guys haven't noticed that on most of my videos, when I'm about to style my hair is stretched. It is so important to have stretched hair, especially when you have a thicker hair texture like mine. My hair is type 4, so it's harder to do my hair when it's wet. When my hair is wet, the curls tend to wrap around each other, and then that's how it gets tangled, and you can get knots, and then knots lead to breakage. The shedded hair gets caught in your tight, coily curls, and so when you're trying to detangle, it's harder to get that shedded hair out. When your hair is stretched, it's so much easier to get the dead hair out in order to style or do whatever else you have to do with your hair that month. That's why I like to stretch my hair often. I do stretch my hair on 95% of the styles, and I'm just being modest. It's probably like 99% to be real. But yeah, I love this method. So without further ado, you guys can check out my tutorial, which is coming right now. I'm starting off this tutorial on old straightened hair that I end up curling for my birthday celebration. As you can see, my hair is looking crazy, like a matted bird's nest. I really let my hair go. I just stopped combing it. It is what it is. I was throwing it in the bun. But guess what? Today's the day we're going to do something about it. So I am gently just kind of parting through my hair to make some sections so I can start detangling. Also, when I say stop combing it, I mean I was combing it every week, and then I felt like it kind of got just too tangled the last week. So I said, just forget it. I'm going to wash my hair soon. So, yep, here we are. So I ended up going to the bathroom so I can drench my whole hair with water. It just made the detangling process so much easier. It took me a while to get through this hair, but look, I'm finally almost done with it, and I'm going to get ready to go for the washing process. I did not end up showing the washing process in this video, so what you're going to see next is me having the deep conditioner in my hair. At this point, my hair was revived, thank goodness, because it was looking something before. So when I deep condition, I usually apply heat, so I'm putting on this cap that's like a hair dryer. When I say I love this thing, it's so convenient and you can bring it with you anywhere. Okay, so I rinsed out the deep conditioner, and now it's time to start the blow drying process. So here are my products: my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in and my castor oil mix. And my blow dryer, I believe, is Red, the brand Red. I had that thing for so long, the label rubbed off. And then I put on the concentrator nozzle on my blow dryer to help with directing the heat to my hair to help stretch it out. While I'm using the blow dryer, I do slow and fast strokes down my hair shaft. I just do that because I want to make sure my hair can dry quickly so I can go ahead and move on to the next piece. Overall, this blow drying process is pretty straightforward, and it takes me around an hour and a half to 2 hours tops to blow dry my whole hair, which is not bad for me because usually other styles that I do take way longer, so this is not bad for it to cut the work in half while I'm styling. Yeah, styling on wet hair just takes a lot more time. And as you can see, guys, I don't use a comb at all, even to comb it out right before I use the blow dryer. I don't really need to. At this point, I decided to relax and take a seat because I did not want to stand up for the whole process. And before somebody even say anything, yes, I know I need a trim, but right now my hair is working for me the way it is, and at some point I'll get one. At this point, I was just kind of ready to be done. My hair is thick, so I try to take my time to make sure I'm thorough and get to every piece and my hair is stretched out good enough so I can style it. And we are pretty much done with the whole process. Yay, and here is the final result. And guess what, guys? I didn't lose not one piece of hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this simple and easy blowout tutorial. Actually, I'm about to go ahead and style my hair right now because it's ready. But if you guys have any questions, comments, or if you're going to try the tension method, then feel free to put them down in the comment section. And also, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more videos coming soon. So thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Can I live with you? And the ladies go,